Welcome, in front of me is a Blue Grand M2, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to begin, you want to open up Settings, and from here tap on Storage, where you will see your SD card, so choose that, and tap on the three dots in the corner and go into Storage Settings, where you will find Format option. So tap on it. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card, so if you want, you might want to back up some data before, otherwise you will lose it permanently, but assuming you don't, tap on Erase and Format, and the process will begin. It only takes a couple of seconds, and once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used again, as it is right now. So click on Done, and you're finished. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.